Hello and welcome to short tutorial how to deposit money into your My Passive Trades account. So what you need to do is open your account and log into it, and then just go here to My Wallet and click on Deposit Money. And here you choose the amount which you want to deposit. Make sure you send at least $5 because one add-back costs $5. So this is the minimum which you can actually fund. So I will put 10, and here we will select the payment option. You can deposit through Bitcoin and you can deposit through Perfect Money. So let's deposit through Bitcoin, and the procedure is the same. So I will not showing the both of things how to do it, and just click on Fund Account. Confirm here that your information you put are correct, and that's it. Now here you need to choose which currency you want to, with what currency you want to deposit. You want Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum. So we will choose Bitcoin, and here make sure you put your email address which you are using in My Passive Trades. So account can be connected, a payment can be connected with your account, and put your name and your last name and click on complete checkout. Now this window open, and all you need to do is go into your Bitcoin wallet, open it, copy this address and copy this amount of Bitcoins and send it. And once your transaction will be completed in blockchain, then your funds will be added into your account automatically. So it's very easy, but make sure that you actually have enough money in your wallet to cover your wallet fees. So that's it, and this is everything about the deposit, how to deposit in My Passive Trades. It's really simple. Bye.